Methods defining methods method. Header. The method header is the starting part of a method declaration. It includes the method's access specifier, return type, method name, and parameter list, if any. 2. Method signature. The method signature is a unique identifier for a method. It includes the method's name and the types of its parameters, parameter list. The return type is not considered part of the signature. 3. Access specifier. The access specifier determines the visibility or accessibility of the method. Common access specifiers include public, private, protected, and package private, default. 4. Return type. The return type specifies the type of data that the method will return to the calling code. If a method does not return any value, the return type is typically specified as void. 5. Method name. The method name is a unique identifier for the method within its class or scope. It is used to invoke or call the method from other parts of the code. 6. Parameter list. The parameter list contains the parameters, inputs, that the method expects to receive when it is called. Parameters are enclosed in parentheses and multiple parameters are separated by commas. 7. Formal parameter. Formal parameters are the variables listed in the method's parameter list. They act as placeholders for the actual values, arguments, that will be passed to the method when it is called. Formal parameters are used within the method's body. 8. Actual parameter, argument. Actual parameters, also known as arguments, are the values passed to the method when it is called. They correspond to the formal parameters in the method definition. Example, public class. Example, public int add numbers, int enum1, int enum2. Method header, method body int sum, enum1 plus num2, return sum, return statement, access specifier, public return, type, int method name, add numbers parameter, list, int num1, int num2. Formal parameters, num1, num2. Method signature, add numbers, int. Pass by value. In pass by value, the actual value of the argument is passed to the called function. This means that a copy of the argument's value is made, and any modifications made to the parameter within the called function do not affect the original variable in the calling function. Call by reference, aliasing. In call by reference, the memory address, reference of the actual variable is passed to the called function. This allows the called function to directly modify.